Hello, welcome to E-Prime for the weekend. I am Daedran. Ziggy Marley releases a new single titled America Vibra on U.S. Inauguration Day, Wednesday. The song, in collaboration with Brazilian reggae band Natty Roots and American Oscar-nominated actress Yalitza Aparicio, calls for the people of the Americas to unite for a better world. As Ziggy adds his vocals as he calls for justice. Press release, Ziggy says his lyrics are talking about realizing what's going on with the environment and wanting to see some justice in the world. He added, quote, "We have to take care of the planet, take care of each other, and just build a better world together," end quote. The two artists, Ziggy and Natty Roots, sing about social, and she says, "We don't want walls, we're bridges," in Spanish. America Vibra, translated to American Vibrations. And Grammy-winning rapper Cardi B has landed her very first leading role in an upcoming comedy film, Assisted Living. In the film, Cardi B plays a small-time crook named Amber who has to hide from police and her ex-partners at her grandmother's nursing home, where she disguises herself as an elderly woman. The WAP rapper made her feature film debut in Hustlers alongside Lizzo, Jennifer Lopez and Keke Palmer back in 2019 and was previewed in the upcoming Fast and Furious F9. Now your number one party on a Saturday night, Fame Frequency goes bad and bougie tomorrow. Get ready as DJ Kevin and Narity return as a pair with the hits makers Tropical and Xavier. The party starts 9 p.m. on RETV and Fame 95 and then at 10:45 right here on TVJ. See you at Frequency. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.